Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 2.4, Problem 3. This is Section 2.4, Problem 3. It says multiply the fractions, and we have 3/8 times 2/3. So when you multiply fractions, you want to multiply top times top, bottom times bottom, or more accurately, you could say numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. So across the top, you have 3 times 2, which is 6, and then 8 times 3, which is 24. And when you finish multiplying fractions, you want to see if you can reduce. Is there anything that divides into the top and bottom evenly? And in this case, there is. 6 divides into the top and bottom evenly. 6 goes into 6 once, and 6 goes into 24 4 times. So I have 1/4. Now, this is one of those problems where you could have reduced earlier, or what they call pre-reducing. So notice 3 on the top, 3 on the bottom. I could say 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 3 once. And now you're left with top times top, 1 times 2 is 2. And then bottom times bottom, 8 times 1 is 8. And then can I reduce that? Well, yes, 2/8, 2 goes into both evenly. It reduces to 1/4. 2 goes into the top once, and it goes into the bottom 4 times. So I could have actually pre-reduced a little further. The 3's, it's very obvious that they cancel. I could have also said 2 goes into 2 once, and 2 goes into 8 4 times, and reduced at that point and be left with top times top, 1 times 1 is 1, bottom times bottom, 4 times 1 is 4. So notice in any variety of reducing and multiplying, you still come out with 1/4. But as the numbers get bigger, it's more worth your while to reduce as soon as you can. These numbers are fairly small, and it's about the same amount of work. But if the numbers were bigger, instead of 8, let's say this was a 48, things like that, it's better to reduce early. But even if you don't, you will get the same answer, whether you reduce first and then multiply, or multiply first and then reduce.